Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebroke Adventure. We're working on a new project and LiTime was kind enough to send us a lot of the components we need for this build. We're building a portable solar generator. One of the components we're gonna need for this build is a 250 amp circuit breaker. We're gonna need a couple of these and we're gonna put these in line right before the battery and right before the inverter, just to protect our circuits in case there's ever a short circuit. These things will pop and disconnect power. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at these. There you go. Look at these things, how nice they come. Packaged right inside is your product manual. That product manual is going to give you all the specifications and how to mount and install these safely. Comes with your mounting screws. Let's look at the component itself. Nice, heavy duty, right? Has these little rubber caps, right? To keep everything safe, keep you from short circuiting on this. Right, we have N10 lugs, which is about equivalent to a 3/8 lug, right? Look at that, nice lock washers on there to make sure that you get a good connection with your terminals. Right, we have our holes for our mounting screws right here. What's really nice about a circuit breaker like this is it is a manual disconnect. So as soon as that little tab is poking out, it means that it is a disconnected circuit. To reset this, all we have to do is snap that back into place. So you can use this as a switch and over current protection. Yeah, so this LiTime 250 amp over current protection circuit breaker with the manual disconnect. This is what we need on our project. This is what we're going to be using on our project. Say it has the M10 3/8 lugs on it with the rubber caps. Nice, heavy duty, right, circuit breaker. We're happy with it. It's going to work for what we need. So from Stonebroke Adventure, until next time,